Let's look at this geometry problem. We have a rectangle, and this rectangle, we know that its length is 8. So this length is 8. And then we can cut out a square from this rectangle A. So A is a square. Right, so we know that the side length of A is all equal to each other, right? And the question is that what's the parameter of the remaining rectangle B? Right, so A is a square, right? But B is a rectangle. But what's going to be the parameter of B, right? The only length that we know is the length of the big rectangle A, which is 8, right? So how do we evaluate the parameter of B, right? So the parameter of the B, the parameter of the B should equal to 2 times its length, which is this length, plus this length, the width, right? So that's going to be the width, and then that's going to be the length, right? So the parameter of B should equal to what? Should equal to 2 times L plus W, right? But we don't know W, and we don't know L. We have no idea what the L is, right? We only know that A is a square, right? We don't know what L is. What's the value of L? We don't know what's the value of W, right? So how do we get L plus W, right? The trick of this question is that we don't need to know L and W separately. All we need to find out is what's L plus W, right? What's going to be L plus W? So if this side is W, then this side is W too, right? This side is W, right? Because this B is a rectangle, right? So the two widths should be the same, right? And because A is a square, so this W, so this side should equal to this side, right? So this side is W too. This side is W, right? And this side is L, right? What's L plus W? L plus W is exactly 8. That's given here. So it's 2 times 8. That's equals to 16, right? So the parameter of B is 16.